This is the new DeLonghi TrueBrew. Now, I normally use my DeLonghi Magnifica Start to make all my espressos and coffee and everything, but this is a new one. We'll see how it goes. The water tank is on the side. Unlike the espresso machines, it does not pull forward. You have to lift it up. There should be enough room under your cabinet to do so, but then the beans are on the top. I have this loaded with Intelligentsia Black Cat Espresso here. That's what we're going to do our first test with. And let's see here. This lid is a little snug, but there we go. Now it's fit. So we're going to use what's called espresso style, the 3 ounce. This will be my first brew. I've not even brewed anything yet. And we do it by using this flip out cup holder. So let's do it together and find out how it goes. So 3 ounce gold. All right, here we go. It says it'll give like a really nice rich espresso with the crema when you set it on espresso style. So we shall see. Here we go. Oh wow, that looks really rich actually. Let's get in there. Good vibration happening, but you know, to be expected. All right, so this has the automatic grinding, the dispensing, no frother, right? No frother. So let's see how we did. Hey, what do you know? Hold on a second. It smells good. Let's taste it. Hey, that's good. That's really good. It's probably one of the best coffees out of an automated coffee machine I've had. The DeLonghi Magnifica Start is a dedicated espresso machine. This one is the TrueBrew. Comes with this huge carafe. It's really for coffee, but wow, I mean, that tastes great. So good job, DeLonghi. Yeah, the only thing is, honestly, I do wish that the water tank slid forward. That's a huge win on the espresso machine, so maybe consider implementing that, but otherwise great.